Good afternoon, Dr. Cortez. This is the video on how I did the quiz for rigid pavements using the AASHTO equation. For rigid pavements, well, this is the quiz. The first thing we see here is that this highway is an interstate Phoenix that doesn't rate a lot and have 18 million SLs. And well, this is Excel. The first thing is the SLs, 18 million. I already put it here. Next thing is that, well, it says here that the design calls for a joint reinforcement concrete pavement with an asphalt concrete shoulder without load transfer. So for this we go to table 1219 is this one, and for it's gonna be this one for a joint reinforcement concrete pavement that have a pavement shoulder with not load transfer, so it's gonna be 3.8. That's the first data that we have here. For J is 438, no, 3.8. Next thing we have here is the modulus of the concrete, that is 4 million. So for that, this is the modulus of the concrete, 4 million. What else? Concrete modulus of rupture, that's gonna be SE. Is this one 550? Effective modulus of subgrade is 120. So we go here. That's gonna be K, 120. Subgrade material exhibit poor drainage. So that's is from table 1220. It's gonna be this one, and rating of the drainage is poor, and like we saw in the quiz, it's gonna be a highway in Phoenix, so it doesn't rate a lot, so it's gonna be less than 1%, so I'm gonna use 1.1, and that's gonna be for CD, 1.1. Okay, the reliability is gonna be 95%. That we need table 11.15. that is page 115. Okay, it is this table, the same that flexible pavements is gonna, so the reliability is 95%. We're gonna use standard normal deviate of minus 1.645. So we plug it here for CR minus 1.645. PT is the terminal serviceability, and for a highway is 2.5, and for a less critical pavement is 2. And the standard deviation is 0.4. So apply here 0.4, and I'm gonna put here a number. And last thing we have to do is use solver. Go in data, solver, and already put here 18 million. Solve. Okay, so it gave me a thickness of the concrete of 13.63, and we're gonna round it up to 14 inches. So that's the result.